Are you ready to learn the secret to leveling up your golf game? Look no further. This video will teach you everything you need to know about golfing sunglasses so you can see in high definition and take your gameplay to new heights. I mean, literally, look at that ball. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Fuse channel. I'm Eric, and this is the destination on YouTube for all things optical, sunglasses, and lens technology. And we're based in Florida, where golf is less of a sport, more of a lifestyle. So you could say that we're lens experts and golf experts. Well, at least we try. Now let's start with the basics. What should you look for in a good pair of golfing sunglasses? So great golfing shades have lenses that minimize glare, increase sharpness and contrast, and preserve the color balance of the golf course. Now you want your vision to give you the best picture so you can see depth and distance. And we'll talk more about lens tints in a bit. So your frames should also be comfortable, durable, and give you the widest view without obstruction. Regular sunglasses frames tend to leave a gap when you look down, which can make it harder to see the ball. And if your frames cut off your peripheral vision, you can get distracted during your swing. So the solution to this problem is in the frame style that you choose. The best sunglass frames for golf are ones that hug tightly to your face. So when you're looking up and down, side to side, corner to corner, I don't know what other directions there are, but the point is you don't want your frames to budge. So opt for a frame designed for outdoor activities with spring hinges that adjust to your face and lightweight so they don't fall down. Now rubberized nose pads, they work wonders to keep your frames from slipping, especially when the competition gets turned up. You start to sweat a little bit, or because you're somewhere like Florida and it's 100 degrees and humid. So two styles that check all those boxes and don't cost hundreds of dollars are the Fuse Anclote and Egmont frames, which were designed with outdoor sports fit and function in mind. The flexible arms and nose pads keep them on your face all day, so you never have to sacrifice comfort. Now you should also consider how much light is being let in or blocked out by the frame. Frames with thick rims decrease light visibility, so look for a thin-rimmed or rimless style to maximize your depth of field. Some specialized golf brands, like NYX Golf and Sports Eyes, design golf-specific rimless sunglasses. You can also try our Fuse 3 Rooker, which has a thin rim, lightweight, flexible, and durable. Now, we have more videos on the best sunglasses for different sports and activities in this playlist, so don't forget to check that out. Now moving on to lenses. In general, the best golf lenses have a color tint that improves depth perception, reduces glare, and increases color contrast. So first and foremost, at a minimum, you should always wear polarized lenses, no matter what climate you're in or where the golf course is situated. This is basic because polarized lenses remove the glare from balls, your clubs, or golf carts that make it hard to see and can throw you off. No more wincing, or eye strain, or missed shots because you caught a reflection in the corner of your eye. It should be noted that polarized lenses slightly impact your depth perception. So if that's a concern for you, you may want to try them out for a bit to see if they're a good fit for you. Check out this video to learn more about the science of polarization, and make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos on lens tech. Then there's lens tints, and the ideal tint for you might be different from someone who lives in a different climate. For example, red and yellow lenses are great at enhancing contrast in overcast environments, but not so much in sunny climates. On a bright day, it's better to have an amber or gray tinted lens. Now, some people like wearing green lenses because they're better at preserving the color balance of the golf course. Now, you can try photochromic lenses, more commonly known as transition lenses, but that's copyrighted. Photochromic sunglasses change from light to dark depending on the lighting conditions. So if your golfing day starts out sunny and gets cloudy, your lenses will adjust to match the environment. If you golf in a really variable climate, these might be right for you. Undoubtedly though, the best type of lenses for golf are color enhancing lenses, aka HD or high contrast lenses. They offer the best of both worlds for improving color contrast and depth perception, and for reducing glare, since the ones that we offer are also polarized. Now these high contrast lenses fine-tune your precision and coordination by muting parts of the color spectrum that muddy brighter colors. They target and separate colors, allowing for contrast and enhancement that you can't achieve with normal lenses. They selectively enhance the saturation and contrast of certain colors, which increases depth perception and color separation. So greens and reds are especially hard for your eyes to tell apart, which these lenses are great at making pop. For example, Our AMP color-enhancing lenses and sunglasses make it easier to distinguish between shadowed areas of the golf course. That way, you can detect where small bumps, slopes, or other irregularities are in the field. Unlike regular sunglasses and even other color-enhancing lenses, Fuse AMP is specifically designed to keep whites white, meaning your golf ball will pop on the field. You can get these lenses for any pair of frames and even prescription, but more on that in a bit. Now check out our video on the science behind color-enhancing technology to learn more. And now that you know what to look for in the best type of lenses, here are your options to level up your game. Many brands like Oakley offer polarized and color-enhancing lenses, but they can be super pricey and not actually look any better than affordable brands. See for yourself in our video coming soon about what life looks like through different lenses. So at Fuse, we make affordable golfing sunglasses that go above and beyond, because port performance is one of the main reasons that we developed our state-of-the-art Fuse AMP color-enhancing HD lenses that are also polarized and anti-reflective. And we created the lenses with our patented AI technology that provides 4 times more color enhancement at a fraction of the price of the competition like Oakley and Costa Del Mar. And we're the only brand that offers replacement HD lenses in any pair of frames, not just our own. Just like all of our lenses, the HD AMP lenses are custom fitted to any sunglasses frames, including all brand names. Now, even if you needed prescription sunglasses, we've got you covered. But if you need new frames and don't want to break the bank, just customize your Fuse AMP lenses in one of the sports frames that we offer on our site, like the Anclote, the Egmont, and the 3 Rooker. Fuse AMP lenses, they start at $59 with 5 color options. Our new AMP Sapphire is perfect for sports like golf, where precision is key. So each pair is designed for crisp and vibrant color, fine-tuned performance, and all-day eye comfort. We also offer tints specifically for bright sun, variable lighting, and open fields. So whether you live in the Arctic or over here on the Gulf Coast, we have an AMP lens for you. Now we cut lenses for thousands of frame styles across hundreds of brands, all in our optical lab in Florida. So head to fuselenses.com/YouTube to find your brand and model. And if you don't see your model on our list, you can just send them to us and we'll cut custom lenses for you. Now that you know what to look for in frames and lenses for your next golf outing, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.